Have you ever opened 20, 30, maybe even 50 Chrome tabs while researching or working online, and then suddenly you can't find the one tab you actually need? Or worse, you accidentally close a tab with important information, and it's gone forever. Well, today I'm going to show you the easiest way to stop losing your Chrome tabs. This simple Chrome extension organizes your tabs automatically and lets you save, search, and reopen them instantly. Let's dive in. If you're new here, welcome to Ray Creators Lab, the channel where we explore the best AI tools and online tools for content creators and productivity. Today's tool is a Chrome extension that completely changes how you manage your browser tabs, and it is called Tabsurfer. Instead of drowning in dozens of open tabs, you can organize them in seconds. Let me show you exactly how it works and how to use it step by step. Let's start with the problem. Most people use Chrome like this. You open a tab, then another tab, then another one. Before you know it, your browser looks like a messy pile of tiny tab icons. Finding the right tab becomes slow and frustrating. This Chrome extension solves that by letting you save tabs into collections, organize them into groups, search for any tab instantly, reopen tabs anytime. Think of it like a smart bookmark manager for your active tabs. First, open Google Chrome. Then go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for the extension. Once you find it, click Add to Chrome. Then click Add Extension. After installation, the extension icon will appear in the top right corner of your browser. Now the tool is ready to use. This is honestly one of the simplest Chrome extensions that can dramatically improve your browsing experience. Instead of losing tabs or keeping hundreds open, you can organize everything in a clean and smart way. If you spend a lot of time working online, this tool can save you a lot of time and frustration. If you found this tool useful, Make sure to like this video, comment below if you want more Chrome productivity tools, and subscribe to Ray Creators Lab for more AI tools and online tools that can make your work easier. And before you go, check out this next video where I show you another powerful tool every content creator should know.